This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to start a share screen session, and this is going to live stream your gameplay to anyone in your party on your PlayStation 5. So first you do need to open up a game, so I have Minecraft open. Then you want to go ahead and press the share button right here on your controller, this button. And it's going to open up this menu where you can take a screenshot, save recent gameplay, you can watch your DVRs right here. And then if we go to the right, here is share screen right here, select this. And then we can start share screen. We can start up a party, and we can go to party type. So I'm going to make this closed so people just don't join. Otherwise I can make it open. So we can name the party now, and then go to start share screen. And it's starting the party. Now the cool thing is people on their phone app can access the party as well, and they can watch on their mobile device too. And you can see if anyone is watching. And this is just a regular party chat. So if you start up a party, there's this option right here, this icon. You can just go to the same option and then start share screen. So people can watch me from this screen very easily. They just go to my name and then they can start viewing what's going on. You can just stop it or start it right there. Otherwise you can do that under this menu as well. So you can see if I have anyone watching. It looks like I do not. It is just me. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.